Hey, I'm Dr. Charles Livingston, CEO and co-founder of Lifeboost Coffee, and I want to show you how to make an Americano. And if you don't enjoy overly sweet or creamy coffee, but you still want that extra kick you get from espresso, the Americano is a great drink for you to try. Even better, the Americano is incredibly easy to make at home and only requires 2 ingredients: espresso and water. That's it. You will just brew up your shot of espresso and add water. So while making an Americano is as easy as it sounds, we do have a few suggestions you might try to ensure it tastes exactly the way you prefer. So first, don't just blindly add water into the espresso. The ratio of coffee to water does matter. Just like when you make your usual cold brew or drip coffee. If you don't get the ratio just right, you will end up with really bland coffee or coffee that is way too strong and bitter. We suggest you start with adding 2/3 cup of water for every 2 shots of espresso, then tailor to what tastes better for you. So if you want it to be less bitter, add more water than this, or you would try 1 shot of espresso. Or if you want it to be stronger, just try adding less water. Second way to play around with an Americano's flavor is in the order in which to add the water to espresso to your cup. In other words, should coffee come first or should water come first? While most people don't notice the difference in the taste, there are a few people who claim the coffee flavor is smoother and more mellow if you add the water after you add the espresso. Why? Well, this is because of the crema, or that thin layer of brown foam which forms on the top of the espresso when it is brewed. If you pour the water over your espresso, the crema will dissolve, and for few, this helps mellow out the bitter espresso flavor. So customize the water to espresso ratio of your Americano and play around with the order you pour the espresso to see what works best for your taste buds. And while the Americano is traditionally served hot and without any additional ingredients, don't be afraid to mix in some creamer or milk of your choice, or to just pour it over ice if you want it iced. It's really as simple as that. So cheers to an Americano.